say they want to do test, I'll ask them when they want to do test, they should come for this situation.
Ebusan for aha Ghana Sem TV GH. Make sure now like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that anytime video we say upload there, usabet me akebi ama usu washe. Ebusan for AYɛKa sa state funeral ekoso nkofo so nye easy. Say nim victims no mpono at least otie say na as isema families no ekeka no mobo pa mobo na is nobody's wish and prayer say maybe say ever to even at time for cry no debi enti you right say o man no nyina aye din ye mourning na funeral na say munim say media me very observant and me share for body languages composure say na ato force and by I say now I am moody mobo muntaka by say I din na Farida any bra penny I friend Sharaf Mahama ever do you know and I may say my observe ya there be waha. Now before me observation actually mono. You see, and for nothing until I afraid the family of the president say the first family of the land. And responsibilities. Yeah. First family no and title be kwa. Just say while we president about to year also that me any opedebi. O mind bia we are bia no. Bebia obakobia na ye boga na dia. Wherever the name of the president comes, his family follows. First family. Entina president Nibano omu diplomatic passports. Just say oman bia ni ho ombeso mbeko na yadina omu visa. Enti omu attitude is very important. Omu composure is very important. Just like Ohiniba. We Ohiniba. They train you how to act like a king, even though you are not a king yet. How to comport yourself, where to go, where not to go, what to say, how to dance the traditional dances and all those things, how to comport yourself in public. And the Banesena, a year say, on my ina diareho. Now, Muamuye president, no, children, you get on the venue and you are seen laughing heartily, cracking jokes among yourselves. It's not done. No, it's not done. No, you don't. You see, you as children of the president, you must always be conscious about media coverage. Very conscious. Ins and outs. Every movement is monitored. Ebia, idea we know. Ebe fanko for bebre ni so omo but we pay attention to body language because body language means a lot. It signifies a lot. It tells our people's perception, their attitudes, their views. Tina me share pa omo free language and omo bani na me share na me monitor ebra lady no be gina ho Farida no be gina ho no problem na ni back and I face the camera no problem ebra Sharaf nanti ever Amishe. Sharaf bedu ya au monantena. You can see the emotion they display. And that is not an emotion of sadness. It's obviously who say, God forbid. And I said, unipa bina asasem na kotwa. Will you get on the funeral grounds and be seen laughing, be seen smiling? No. Enti say nkrofo ayeko akosi omu. Yesi omu ye statement. Omu compatriots they have lost omu lives in line of duty. Then you must not be seen laughing or smiling. It sends a wrong message. And I think this you should watch it the next time. Watch it carefully. Your body language matters a lot. Your body language means a lot. Makramo.
You would have done that for anyone on a good like this at a time like this. You believe without doubt.
نزلة الجنان
We will sum up the Quranic recitals with a prayer. That's it.
Sorted. Yeah, the 7. No. I'm waiting. No, I just want to see it. He asked me. I told them. They said they want to do test. I asked them when they want to do test. They should call me for the
Say Bibi Besia, by virtue of you being a police officer, prevent it. Now, when you don't do so, that's a crime happening. And when you've caused harm by omission. Say Obama onye police ni, onye soldier ni, onye immigration officer. No law mandate him, no duty is bestowed upon him to give information when he doesn't want to. Nobody should sit there and do nonsense. We are building a society of law. Not people doing what they like. Why do we sit there and allow this nonsense to triumph? Or in the name of political victimization? What kind of human beings are we? So self Obama information. Opa whatever farmer. Was he come and assist me with information? Now I know say baby I am causing a fear and panic. Publication of false news. What is false about the Obama post here? Is it not true that civilians were carrying guns? M16 and others. So what is false about it? And even with that crime of publication of false information, that alone is not a crime. Unless you are able to demonstrate or publicize this information, the public were in fear.
Exactly.
Who has come to report that he was in fear of a yes Obama video now posted? What nonsense are we building as? Is that the society we want? And we sit down and we think this is okay. Gobi, is this okay?
Never.
Say Obama, because of criticizing IGP. Let the record shows that say Obama in several posts criticizes IGP simply because of the whole handle Boko issue.
Precisely.
It you know people so children where power lies and other than that, I did a video na say Obama posted. And I know was a video na fatu so. Near some babechi yanzua. It is your job as the number one chief security officer. Say Bibi Koswa. Obi be draw attention. It is a mrantian mabawa displays a video. And this video has been on the internet for God knows how long. So say Obama ko posti. Now say wa ko posti. Says civilians in a year having M16 and other guns. Is it not true these are civilians?
It's true.
So what is false about the video?
Ask them.
Now society near building. Society must be fair. Must treat each other equal.
Exactly.
Not because somebody is MPP or NDC.
Never.
We want him to assist. No be our best to assist to a new court. We had not a circuit court. Say charges ben ye bono. Nipana who release in say you want him to assist no. We will do court a handcuffs goodness. Amo ye normal. And then amo ye nema 10 times. We are two Obama money and tongue mine about. We are a nation of laws.
Exactly.
Even says Obama and